this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right ShareChat app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So for this, we shall do it on an Android smartphone. To do that, go to Google Play Store app and then tap on Play Store to open it. Here, search for your app by name. So I just go to search here and search the app ShareChat as one word and then run the search. As you can see, we have the first option here. I'll try open it. As you can see, the app is here. So I'll tap on it to see the details. Make sure it is from ShareChat and this is the name ShareChat status video and live. At the time of recording this app had a star rating of 4.5 with over 3 million reviews, which means it is widely used, and the average file size is over 50 MBs, and currently this app has been downloaded over 500 million times. If you see these details, then you know that you have the right app. To get it, just tap on install and this will download the latest version of ShareChat app. And then the app will be installed on your smartphone. So from here, if we go to our apps, we should be able to find it. Let's see. Look at that. Here it is. Now, if I tap on it, this is the welcoming logo. Now you can sign in and start using ShareChat app. So that's how you can install the right ShareChat app on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.